Hey guys, and welcome to PJ's Coin Capers. So I've had a fairly good week. This is episode 15. Look what I found, and we're going through and see what I've kept and why I've kept it. Plenty of new people to the channel and plenty of new people to the Facebook group, to PJ's Coin Capers Facebook group. Link will be in the description if you haven't joined already. But lots of people are showing what they're finding, similar to what I'm doing right now, which is great. And I do love seeing, and plenty of people on the in the group love contributing to that. So yeah, it's great to see all that. All right, so I've had some good finds this week. Been a bit crook, so um, yeah, so I've had a little bit of extra time to be able to do a little bit of noodling when I've felt up to it. My voice is still not right, but it's getting there. All right, so I found up the back here. I won't pick up every single coin. A couple of 2018 100 years Vanzak, 2015. I got a couple of those. A 2014 Mob of Ruse low mintage coin, and a 2019. It's an S marked coin. A lot of these $2 coins are coloured $2 coins, is what we have found when we did the $1,000 worth of $2 coins. I did find some extras, like some extra blackboards and a few other bits and pieces there. But yeah, found plenty of coloured coins this week. Definitely the highlight of the coloured coins is the green one, which I did find. I think it was, it must have been during that video. And it's in very good condition as well. So that was certainly one of the finds of the week. A couple of 2011s, and one I was a bit unsure about, but you guys have given me feedback that looks like it's just a proof coin that's been found in circulation. So from 2001. A couple of 2011s, as I said. Did pretty well with the 20 cent stake coins this week. So I've got three of them there. I've got one from Tassie, one from Victoria, and one from South Australia. I certainly find a lot more South Australian ones and Victorian ones, obviously, but South Australians is probably my most commonly found one after the Victorian one. Found a nice 20 cent changeover. I keep the higher grade ones of those, even though they're not necessarily low mintage, but certainly well worth keeping. I found a nice high grade Samoan coin from 1993, so it's a very nice looking coin. So I've kept that one. A lot of these islands, coins from these islands, Tonga, what's some other places? Cook Islands, those sort of places have very low mintage coins, so they're worth getting a hold of. Someone's actually bringing me over some coins from Tonga very soon, so I'm looking forward to going through those and sort of see what we get and have a look at the mintages. So I'll bring that to the channel when that happens. I know this coin is PMD, but it's still pretty cool. Someone's gone to a bit of effort and they've actually done quite well, so I thought it'd be worthwhile just showing you. It is post mint damage. This hasn't happened at the mint. Well, I don't think so. But it's still pretty cool. I'm not going to keep it, but just wanted to show you. A couple of 50 cent state coins. What's this one? That's a Queensland one, so it's always good to find a Queensland one. And it's supposed to be a South Australian one. Yep, South Australian. So that's another one of the tough ones to find, so I was quite happy with that. The drought is certainly well underway on the Marbos now. Really slowed down. I've only found one this week. A nice, fairly high grade 83, which I just keep these nice high grade ones. I just keep them. I check what's in my folders and whether they're worth changing over. I don't find them that often, but I keep them anyway. United Nations 20 cent coin, and I've just kept that one because they're tough to come by. I found a 2011, only one this week, 10 cent coin. This one here, bit of an error coin. Probably a bit hard to pick up on camera, but there's just some lamination sort of stuff and cracking going on if I hold it in the right spot. But that's why I've kept that one. And I found a very nice high grade 2012 10-cent coin. So I'm just going to check my stocks on those. But nice to pull out some of these coins that are high grade and just keep them. Another sort of low mintage coin is the 1997 10-cent coin. So that was a nice high grade one. So I've kept that one as well. And a 90, I don't know, I did keep some other ones as well. There was some 72s and 91s that I've pulled aside, but I haven't chucked them in this video. This one's just a little bit interesting. And now if you can see this sort of area here, see it's got this discoloration. There are some sort of there's a little bit of detail there that almost makes me think it's about to sort of break in that area. It could be a metal mix problem initially with the coin. So you do see these sort of striations, something like that. Markings on coins from time to time. So I'm not sure exactly what causes it, but I just thought I'd bring it up, and if anyone knows the answer. I see it probably more often on 50-cent coins. So yeah, just found one of these. I pull each and every one of these out, and make sure you check out my video that I did during the week on the alien era coin of this particular one. Well worth trying to find, and I've certainly gone and got a fair few more 5-cent coins for my next lot, because I want to try and I normally don't. I hate going through 5-cent coins, but I just grabbed a few more extra. I usually only try and go through 5 rolls a week. So, I've loaded up, ready to go for the next, which will be episode 16. But right now we're looking at episode 15. So I'll put all these coins away, and then we'll get stuck into noodling those, and hopefully can come up with some more treasures. So I did this. This was right at the start of this particular hunt, and that was this very nice Millennium Incused, which I was extremely happy to find. And there it is there, the year 2000. So I chucked it straight in this coin holder here, just to keep fingers and fingerprints and that kind of stuff off. One other cool find for the week was this one. And that's at 9 o'clock. So I was very happy to find this. I've got a few of these now, and at 9 o'clock. And that's always one of those moments I wish I had been able to capture on film. But being sick this week, I wasn't feeling like talking and noodling, so I just noodled. Alright guys, I think that is about it for this week. I did pull a few other extra coins out as well, but they wouldn't fit on my screen. So just some other lower mintage coins and bits and pieces, but nothing. I'm still collecting lots of 2018 5-cent coins, just because we just don't know how lower mintage they're going to be. So I'm just keeping them until later on, until we find out that no, they're not worth holding on to, and I'll just chuck them back in the bank. So I'm not showing them each week, but I am still keeping those. But that's about it, guys. I've got a special video I'm doing later on, and I'm looking forward to bringing that to you. It's something a little bit different, and I hope you enjoy it. But we'll give it a go anyway, and we'll see how it goes. All right, guys. Enough of this for now, and we look forward to bringing another video to you soon. Thanks for watching.